Well, it'll always be there. It'll always be there.
But there's no record of anything else.
Okay, well, great. But what's your question? Or it's just testimony?
No, it's just testimony.
Okay, all right. Yes, sir.
I was wondering if I have experience in court. I've done a TV show for about 15 years.
Yeah, get closer to the microphone.
Okay, I did a TV show for about 17 years. And one of the people on my show gave me some advice going to court. I just wondered if you know this might be an aberration, but I won real easy and it was just too easy. What he told me, I filed about 10 motions against the judge, accused him and all this stuff.
Sure.
And he knew that was trouble, so he closed out the court at the room, locked the windows.
Sure.
He threw everyone out, he threw my counsel out. I was me and him against.
Right. Back to common law here.
Yeah. So he closed my case. I walked up to the swinging gates. And when I did that, I stopped real abruptly.
Or short of the, right.
Yeah, I didn't go into the bar.
Right.
So he asked me to come into the bar, and I said no. I'm here on a special appearance, not a judge appearance, outside jurisdiction.
Sure.
I denied his jurisdiction. I said I'm here to challenge your jurisdiction. He told me if I didn't come to the bar and issue a bench warrant, I told him, well, fine, I'm here, don't bother, just arrest me now. And he said, you can't. He got all upset.
Sure.
And threw me out of court.
You called his bluff. Right.
And that was the end of the case.
Oh, great. There's more than one way to skin a cat, and he might have figured, wait a minute, I don't want to bother with this. I've met guys like me, you're more headache than it's worth, and nobody was there to witness it. It's just you and him, so who knows what he wrote in the record to justify his action. But he just probably didn't want it, and it wasn't that serious a case. Now, if you'd been in there for murder, it might have been a different result. But, you know, these things happen. I've had cases unexplainably dismissed, too, even before I got involved in this. So I can't explain it. But I've heard that technique before, and apparently it worked in that case. I know of other cases where it didn't work. Now, the reason they didn't work is unknown to me. It may be ignorance of the judge. He just went ahead and did his thing anyway. Or it could be that he actually had a point. I don't.
He found everybody guilty.
Well, okay. Well, maybe you got a valid technique, and that judge knew it. If you had an ignorant judge, it might not have worked. Yeah. Okay. Sure. So is that it? That's your question? Okay.
I had the same judge as him
Okay.
a couple of years earlier.
Sure.
When I did have